Hey folks, Craig here at Kelly Tractor in Longview. Today we're going to talk to you about servicing your implements and why that's so important in helping you work smarter, not harder. Just like implements are an important part of maintaining your property, maintaining your implements are also very important. And right here what we have is a Finish Mower. Now on your Finish Mower, there's several grease zerks on it. One of the most important ones is right here on your drive line. You have two grease zerks on this drive line, one at the front and one at the back. To service this or grease this, insert the grease gun onto the grease zerk. Now, if you see grease coming out or hear grease popping, you've got plenty in it. Generally no more than 2 shots at a time if you're greasing it every time. You can grease one too much, and that's just as bad as not greasing. You also have one here at the back. Now as we move over here on the wheel and the fork, there's two grease zerks here. There's one right here on the swivel point of your fork, and there's also one down on the wheel. On your wheel, it's going to be more of a sound. If you hear that when you're putting grease down there on the wheel and you hear it pop, you've gotten plenty. And as you can see right here, there's already grease coming out right here on the side, so we know that's got plenty of grease. Once you've done that, you come to the body of your Finish Mower here, and you've got 4 grease zerks on top. 3 of those are for your spindles that are running your blades underneath. The 4th one there is on an idler pulley that's keeping the belt tight as the mower's running. And on these here, if you grease it every time and put a couple of shots at the most, you can maintain this cutter and it's going to last you a long time. Now, right here on top, we have a vent plug, and on the side of the gearbox down here is where you check your oil. Now, it is an Allen head screw. You just simply unscrew this. Not all the way, but just enough where you see oil coming out of it. If you've got oil coming out of it, you've got plenty of oil in it. The vent plug serves 2 purposes. That's where you're going to fill your gearbox if you need oil, and it also vents the heat out of that gearbox while it's running to keep it intact. We hope you found these tips helpful, and remember, work smarter, not harder.